Welcome back to Tiffany Baby TV. Thanks for tuning in today, sis. If you're new, I need you to hit that subscribe button right now before we get started because I have two new bangers that I'm bringing to you today from Beauty Nation. Both of these units come from Brown Sugar, and they are both human hair style mixes. I have first BSF12. I have her in a 1B, and this is what that unit looks like directly out of the package. Curls poppin'. I'm also going to be reviewing for you BSF14. This is her sister. I have her in my favorite, the color number 2. We're going to be doing a little bit of a wig face-off today, so make sure that you watch to the end to find out my thoughts on both of these units, as well as which one is my favorite. So go ahead, get comfy so that you guys can watch me work. Alright, so let's get into the specs of BSF12 first. Here is her cap construction. You guys, both of these units have 13x4 lace parting, so you get plenty of space to customize. You can wear this half up, you can wear this half down, you can do a left side, right, middle part, whatever suits your fancy. You have a series of combs. You have 2 right here on your temples. You have 1 in the back as well as your adjustable straps. I really like this cap at first glance. It seems really, really well made. It's not wefted at all, but it's very sturdy, and I really like the way that this has been constructed so far. That's giving me some scalp realism. I'm not mad at that. I didn't even spray this with my lace tint. This is all the unit. So shout out to Brown Sugar for getting that hairline looking good. Yes, parting space. This lace is still attached. Can you guys see it? It's kind of melted. Even though I haven't done anything, it's just a really good color for my complexion. So I'm already winning there. Guys, this is bomb. I was a little bit intimidated by the stock card looking at her curls. I didn't know how they were going to be with the texture of them. You see they look a little bit stiff and stringy, but these are not stiff or stringy at all. These curls are gorgeous. They're not really tangling. I've only had a couple of snags, but that's to be expected with a curly unit, especially one as long as this. I'm going to go ahead and stand up so that you guys can see it in all of its glory. And I'll hit you with a little 360 as well. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and step off so that I can cut off the lace. I'll be right back with a final look and let you know any additional thoughts that you might need to know about this one. While I was cutting off the lace, I realized that I didn't really fully appreciate this hairline until I looked at it. It looks really good, you guys. This isn't, I wouldn't say that it is pre-plucked, but I would say that it is a step up from what we're used to. That hairline is so thin and so gradual and so natural. It's not super duper dense, and I think that's why it's giving that nice scalp-like look. It looks really good. All right, here's the first con that I found. These combs are extremely far back. These are going to be absolutely useless. The combs are all the way back here. It's behind where the frontal is, so they're not really going to give you much security. You're probably going to want to glue that lace down, or at least wear your wig grip. This unit didn't come with any baby hairs, so if that is important to you, then you'll need to create some of your own. Alright, so I love this big, beautiful hair. Are you guys ready? Let's see what our sister is hitting for, shall we? Alright, so here is BSF14. She has more of a wavy pattern as opposed to the curls that her sister had. The cap construction is identical. You've got your 13x4, your 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and your adjustable straps as well. At first glance, this is a lot of hair, you guys. I feel like cussing it right now, but it's beautiful. It's really soft. It's not tangling, but I am getting quite a bit of shedding. There's just a lot of hair on this unit, so I do think that shedding is to be expected. But right out of the package, I'm really happy with it and the way it's looking. It is extremely long and very much has a yucky texture. Ooh, y'all saw that? I'm gonna do it again. Ah. I see myself in the viewfinder every now and then and be like, ooh, girl. And this unit just gave me a, ooh, girl. Yes. Yes, honey, yes. Again, this is a human hair mix, so I am going to put a little bit of heat on this just to flatten that down. And mold it to the shape of my head a little bit better. Now, this cap is fitting comfortably. It is stretchy. However, it is pulling back and does not want to sit ahead of my hairline very comfortably. And because of that, because I'm getting that pulling back on both sides, I would probably say that this is not big head friendly. See, I'm not gonna be able to glue that down on both sides. I'll have to pick a side of which side I want, because the other side is just not gonna pull that far forward. But with something this long and this dense, my sides aren't gonna be back anyway, more than likely, so I'm a little bit less concerned about that showing. Now, if you were planning on putting this up in a high ponytail, then that might be an issue that you want to be aware of. You guys, I really like this. I'm really torn as to which one I like more. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to decide. I think both of these units are really beautiful and unique on their own. They're definitely sisters. They're nowhere near twins. I think that both of them are perfectly warranted to have in your collection. Both of them have their own characteristics and their own personality, and I'm here for both of them. These waves are gorgeous, and I feel like this camera isn't even doing it justice. The way that they're reflecting in the light is just absolutely gorgeous. You guys, make sure that you comment down below. Let me know which one of these units you like the best and which one you'll be picking up. Both of them retail for the same price. Both of these units come in for the low $28.99. So under $30, you can have hair down to your butt and you can be draping and spinning and flicking too, sis. So make sure that you head on over to BeautyNation.shop. Thank you, Beauty Nation, for sending these over for your girl to review. I appreciate you guys as always. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment box down below. Other than that, have a wonderful rest of your day, loves, and thanks for watching. Bye, loves.